Hey, what's clucking peeps? I'm Georgiana and welcome to Tail Farm. Tonight, I am going to be cooking primarily from my pantry and freezer, food that I already have on hand. Two parts because it's a fun challenge for one. We do always try to be stocked up on food around here. We were raised that way, so we've kind of tried to do that our whole lives. As I've said in previous videos, I don't have air conditioning, and I'm getting hot right now because I've got the fans off. They're very loud. But I want to cook dinner tonight in the microwave so I don't have to heat up the house. And I didn't have to be cooking dinner at 5 in the morning again. But let's get cooking tonight. We're going to give this a shot so I can cook in the microwave and see how it turns out.
On the hairy tail farm, fluffy pal so warm. Chickens cluck all day, rabbits hop and play. Ducks waddle in a line, feathers shine so fine. Every morning bright, animals with delight. Hairy tail farm where love's the charm. Fluffy friends around, in happiness we're bound. Sunrise brings a start, chirping little hearts. Bunny ears so tall, happy little fur ball. Ducklings in a row, wobbling just so slow. Chickens in the coop, we're joyful true. Memories we weave, in kindness we believe. Every moment's true with this fluffy crew. Tail farm, fluffy pal so warm. Chickens cluck all day, rabbits hop and play. Ducks waddle in a line, feathers shine so fine. Every morning bright, animals with delight. Hairy tail farm where love's the charm. Fluffy friends around, in happiness we're bound. Sunrise brings a start, chirping little hearts. Bunny ears so tall, happy little fur ball. Ducklings in a row, wobbling just so slow. Chickens in the coop, we're joyful true. Memories we weave, in kindness we believe. Every moment's true with this fluffy crew. Chickens fluffed like clouds so white. Ducks are waddling day and night. Rabbits hop in fields so green. All the love you've ever seen. Hairy tail farm, a magic place. Feathers soft and bunny face. Ducks are quacking melodies, sweetest hearts and memories. Oh, hairy tail farm, where love grows warm. Fluffy friends everywhere, hearts so full of care. Chickens sing their morning song, ducks all join and hop along. Rabbits chase the morning light, all together every night. Feathers, fur, and little feet, in this world they are so sweet.
So I have 3 chickens that I have to put to bed now every night. This one, poor Myrtle, hasn't been able to blend back in with the flock after attempting to seclude herself to have babies that never hatched. But it's been like a week now, Myrtle. So Mommy will take you to bed, and then I still have Blanche up on the satellite dish every night that we gotta bang a stick on, and then she'll fly down. Hey Blanche, can you come down for Mommy? Come on, fly. Fly, do it, come on. Come on, Blanche. Good girl.
Fluffy friends everywhere, hearts so full of care.